Okay, so from those that do not meditate, who thinks that meditation is just a well-kept secret and you have to be like an expert and go through specific training or be like a monk in some kind of monastery up in 12,000 steps? Who thinks that? No? Yes? All right. So meditation, basically, if I told you that meditation is so simple that even people that are unexperienced can do it and activate the body's own healing mechanisms. So when we tune in with that bigger part of us, we accept that, hey, our subconscious mind is actually part of the bigger energy and is set for growth. So if I accept that I'm set for growth, then I'm getting how I describe it, I'm getting a support from the bigger energy. It is so many things. So throughout my years of studying different meditations for 27 years, I started up with a lot of Zen meditation, which is basically sitting in the present moment and experiencing what is so now, without judging it, without any interpretation, just being with what is happening now. Now, throughout the years, I've evolved into different techniques and added and studied hypnotherapy, studied NLP, a lot of self-development, a lot of landmark, and incorporated all that into what I'm doing right now. So today I'll teach you one type of meditation, which we found is actually, you experienced it, didn't you? We found that it's simple and accessible to to anyone, pretty much. Even people that have no experience in spirituality or have never meditated in their life, there is a way to get the mind out of the body, actually. So we're going to go out versus inward. We're going to go outward, which will allow us in turn to go inward. This thing? Got it. Okay. The mind, being that GPS, will look to validate the belief all day long by recreating the old scenario/reality which has initiated the existence of that belief in the first place. So, who heard about the quantum field? Who saw the movie Lucy? Lucy, okay. When she says at the end, I'm here, I'm there, I'm everywhere, okay? She actually came together with the quantum field. If you think about the quantum field as the source of all information on the planet, and where all information for any potential reality, for any potential possibility exists, the information for it exists within the quantum field. It's like the mainframe. Okay, like the master computer of the planet. Yeah? Intelligence. In that space, I become super conscious. So I become super aware of the situation that, who made up?
Me.
You? Okay, all the situations you made up, so if you have anything.
Not complain.
So in that space, pun intended, I basically am able to make sense or get a higher perspective on the situation. The limiting belief. So the limiting belief can be, I'm not good enough, so the unknown is?
I'm very good.
Yeah. So an unknown for a person like that is that I can be successful without sabotaging myself. Fear of death, perceived death.
Yeah.
There's no real death. Is there a death? If I try something else that I've never tried before, am I
Yeah.
if I try to be good enough, and even though I'm saying that I'm not good enough, am I gonna die?
No.
But the mind literally thinks that I'm gonna die. I never stop my breath. I keep on breathing and I'm pumping at the same time. Exhale all here. Tighten the muscles in the bottom. Inhale from the bottom slowly. Lower abdomen, upper abdomen. Keep drawing from the bottom. Keep drawing. To the space that exists all the way in front of you. And as you do, I invite you to take that same awareness and notice